Hello there. So you want to know how you can simply go ahead and flush DNS on MacBooks. This is going to be the only video that you'll ever need to watch on the internet. So with that being said, let's get straight into the video. So all you need to do is simply go ahead and press Command plus space and then simply go ahead and search for terminal and click on open. Once you've done that, you want to simply go ahead and enter this command right over here. So sudo space ds cache util space dash flush cache semicolon space sudo space kill all space dash hupm DNS responder. So just like this, you can just go ahead and copy it from my description as well. I'm going to leave that there as well. So that is about it. Simply press enter and it's going to ask you to go ahead and enter your password, and simply go ahead and do that, and there you go. That is about it. It's going to start your DNS cache flushing. So I hope this video was helpful to you. If it was, hit that like button and I'll see you on the next one.